Zylokids TV.
Magnet magic, come and see, pulling things so easily near. Clip and nail come running near. It's light magic, don't you cheer? Where? Magnet magic, strong and brightest, pulls things close with all its mightest. North and south they play a game, and push or pull, it's not the same. Paperclips go zooming fast, stick together, hold on tight. Plastic toys just stay away. Magnets don't attract that way. Where? Magnet magic, strong and brightest, pulls things close with all its mightest. North and south they play again, push or pull, remember them. Opposites attract, come close, same size push, that's how it goes. Magnet magic everywhere, learning science with fun and care.
Zylokids TV. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.